take the steering wheel, adjust it all the way down, turn the key on, make sure your foot's on the brake, and then bring it down to first gear. You don't have to have the vehicle running. Now you can grab this panel right here and just slide it out. Then tip it down a little bit and slide it up. At this point, you can put the vehicle back in park and shut the key off. Now take a straight blade screwdriver and just get under here as you pull on the switch a little bit, and then on the side right there, just to release it. And over there, there's a couple pins, and it slides right out. And disconnect the connector right here. There's two connectors. You can get under here with a screwdriver. Just pry up a little bit. And slide the connector out. There we go. Do the same with this one. Take the new switch, line the connector up, lock it in place, line the other connector up, lock it down. Now slide it back in position and make sure it clicks into place. Now turn the key on, put the vehicle down into first gear, make sure that steering column is all the way down, and slide this cover back in place. And there's a couple tabs on the side, line those up. And push this in position, lock it down. And slide it back in park, shut the key off, you're good to go.